How to buy Chain GPT Coin. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Chain GPT Coin. To do so, first of all, you will need to choose any wallet that you have on your device. Here I am using Trust Wallet application. You may also use MetaMask wallet. Once you open the Trust Wallet, here now you will need to enter your passcode in order to log into your account. After that, once you access your account, here now you will need to have Ethereum or another base currency. To purchase Ethereum, here in this page you will need to tap on this buy button at the top and in the search bar type in ETH. Once you find it, tap on it to open it, and here you will need to specify the amount of Ethereum that you'd like to purchase or the amount that you'd like to spend on Ethereum. After that, you can tap on this buy with credit card and confirm the transaction. Once you purchase Ethereum, now you will need to return back to the home page. Here tap on the swap button at the bottom and tap on the swap option at the top left. Now in this page, here in this form section, you will need to choose Ethereum, type ETH and you'll be able to find it. Tap on ETH now to select it. Make sure Ethereum network is selected here. After that, in the to section, tap on it and find CGPT. This is the short form for Chain GPT. Once you have selected Ethereum and CGPT, now you will need to specify the amount of Ethereum that you'd like to swap to CGPT. And once you have specified the amount, you'll be able to see the amount of CGPT you are going to get after completing this swap. Once after doing that, you will need to confirm the transaction to swap your Ethereum for Chain GPT. And once completed, you'll be able to see Chain GPT coin on your wallet. So by following the steps, you should be able to buy Chain GPT coin. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.